brings us to August Wilson's King Hedley II, set in Pittsburgh in 1985. In this scene, we meet King, Elmore, and Stool Pigeon, a figure much like the prophet Jeremiah, who speaks of God's wrath and omniscience as they debate about the rise of violent crime in their city.
Because I'm close to the
city violence escalates. Teen killed in drive-by.
I'm tired of hearing that. A man has got to have honor, else he ain't a man. You can't be no man stealing somebody's life from the backseat of a Toyota.
I seen a man get killed over a fish sandwich. Right down there on Cephas. He had 2 fish sandwiches. They got them mixed up and the 2 fellas got to argue. Next thing you know, one of them had 6 bullet holes in him.
That's why I carry my pistol. I'm a gunfighter. That stops somebody dead in his tracks.
You a gunfighter? But God's a firefighter. God's got that fire. Your little pistol, it can't stand up against God. The atomic bomb can't stand up against God. He says, I will smite my enemies and I will make battlefields out of the pastures and send a rain of fire over all the earth. So all men know I'm the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. Numberless are my wonders and my vengeance. Twice full. God is a man.
I don't want to hear nothing about God. Myrtle Johnson had 8 kids burned up in a fire. Where was God then?
Job said the Lord give it and the Lord take it away.
I'm not talking about Job. I'm talking about Myrtle Johnson. That's what I'm talking about.
All the trials and tribulation that prevail against thee shall come to naught, for I am a protection and a fortress for thee.
Go tell that to Myrtle Johnson.
It's like a joke sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep on going on.